I feel by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. On every moment I started a place, 'cause know that you're gonna hear the words that I needed to say. And you had under the surface like trouble water running cold. What tongue could heal but this wound? So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all be better? If only I had known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? Kills me how your mind can make you feel so endless. So before you go, there's never a right time whenever you call. One little by little until there was nothing at all. Or every moment I started to play, but all I could think about is seeing that look in your face when you had under the surface